Come on inside and check out some of the cool things that I got in my garage. This car here is a bit of an interesting story. It's a 1957 Custom Royal Lancer Super D500. It's a 325 Hemi with dual 4 barrels, and it's a factory stick shift car. One of 8 ever built. Dodge didn't keep numbers really good back in the mid-50s. A friend of mine, Don Miller, found it in Hemmings, drove about 2 hours to this place to check it out. It was in a little lean-to, the roof was caved in. It's just a cool little car. It's got a pretty good story. My uncle, myself, a few other people helped to restore a lot of the things on it. The cool part was it was owned by an old lady. So this car is like the original grocery go-getter, hot rod, old lady's car from back in the 50s.